Guys, and welcome to How to channel. So today I'll be showing you how to link your Facebook account to your WhatsApp account. So without wasting any further ado, let's get into it. So you navigate to your pages. You select a page you want to link to your Facebook account, to your WhatsApp account I mean. So you click on the page, and then after that, once you are in your page as the admin, right here you are logged in as the admin. So you click edit, right? This is the fastest way to get there. Edit, you click there, and then you say edit button, you click right there, and then you navigate to WhatsApp, send WhatsApp message right there, and then you choose the phone number. So I'm not gonna use this phone number. Okay, let me use this phone number right here, and then I say continue. So it's gonna send to me this code, right? Once it sends the code, I'm just gonna confirm the code, and then from there we are done. So let me do this. Let me just restart this so I can use a different phone number. So I take this. I just want to show you how everything works. 07 4 826 1524. Okay, and then after that, it's gonna send a code to my WhatsApp account. So it sent me the code. I've received it. The code is 166644. So that code, you receive it via your WhatsApp account. So if you don't have a WhatsApp account and you want to do this, you're gonna have to download WhatsApp first before you can do that. And then after that, you confirm. Now the pages are linked. It's done. So that's right about it. So now if you go there and you visit this page, this is what someone else is going to see when they visit your page. Let's say I visit as Alvin. This is what they're going to see. You see right now, there is WhatsApp right here. There is WhatsApp. They can be able to send you a direct message and everything. So if you click there, you see, it's going to take you straight to WhatsApp, right? So it's asking this, do you want to do this and stuff like that. So I'm just going to press cancel, then I say maybe continue to WhatsApp if I want to, but I don't have a WhatsApp account on my PC. So if you're on a mobile phone, then it's going to be very easy. Or if you are someone who has WhatsApp on their Facebook, on their desktop or whatever, it'll be much easier. So yeah, that's right about it. And let's say you want to create a post, right? Let's say you want to create a post, and this one, you see this post, it says call everything. Let's say I want to create a new post that has a WhatsApp button, right? So I'm just gonna come here and just say let me just select one of these, and then subscribe to my YouTube account now. Yeah, just write about it. And then now if I want to, I don't know why it's not giving the other alternatives here. Say okay, I don't understand why it's doing this, but let's see. Hit cancel, discard, create an check in and post. Okay, discard everything right here. So if I reload this page, let's see what happens. Yeah, so now let's say I want to create a post. Creating a post, then we go like this, and then we go, you can add a WhatsApp. Now you can add a WhatsApp button, like a functional one. You cannot use this button unless you link your WhatsApp to your Facebook page. So that's one of the pros of doing this. So let's just say please please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, like that. Let's say we are having a giveaway at 1000 sub be the lucky winner, right? By subscribing to this channel right there. Yeah, and that's about it. And you can add your feelings and everything. Okay, get WhatsApp messages, feeling excited. I've just linked my WhatsApp to my Facebook account, then I press post, right? So that's right about it, guys. So without any further ado, let me not waste your time. I hope you are doing your follow along. So I hope this was quite easy for you guys, and see you on the next one. To-dos.